Hello, I'm Fabian, and this is my friend
Daniel.
We are in India, but we are actually German. We are studying at the German International School in Chennai, and today we are going to make an experiment with an explosion. And for that, we need
a chewing gum box.
we just removed the label.
We need baking powder. And we need vinegar.
Yeah, and we need a sheet of paper. Okay. We take the chewing gum box and the sheet of paper. We need the sheet of paper because we will put the baking powder on it. Then we will do it like that and fill it inside the box. We will take 2 of those caps from the baking powder.
And 1 cup of vinegar.
One cap of this. Just put in the baking powder. About 1 cap. Okay, now. Okay, another cap.
Now a cup of vinegar.
1 cap of vinegar, and then we have to react fastly, put the cap on it, shake it, and put it upside down.
Here you can see vinegar is inside.